in organizing the rally?
The main challenge that we have is finances basically. So this is quite cost intensive, and budgetary allocations to ASA events in general is quite minimal. So that is basically our main challenge: getting sponsorship and getting finances right with the events. That's basically our main challenge. The second thing I would say is having teachers to coordinate the various activities. I mean, most of them really don't show so much concern until you push them a little bit harder, and some of them will not even show up until that day. They need to pull people together to coordinate events as well. Dealing with children is the challenge. Dealing with children is actually normal. So for that one.
Earlier today, I saw that the security was tight. And speaking to some of the teachers of the various organizations, they were like, prior to last year, this one is better. Can you elaborate on that?
This one is better, as in the security is better.
Yeah, it's been tight.
Okay, so even prior to last year, you realize that we had issues where children were getting missing from various activities, gatherings, and all of that. And aside that, we are trying to contain them in a space where we don't have intruders, and that's basically why security is quite tight. It's just helpful. It just lets us get to a different dimension. I think in this part of the world, we don't really take security serious when it comes to Christian activities. But I think going forward, we really need to, because definitely, I mean, you don't know, the devil finds work for the idle hands. So you don't know who idle man is around, and we're prowling on the children that are around as well.
We have the trophy for football, trophy for volleyball, trophy for athletics, and then the overall trophy. Let's